Advice on how to cope with the noise of tinnitus. Though tinnitus isn't really considered a disease as such, it is an annoying condition that puts the sufferer under plenty of stress. Tinnitus can be caused by any number of things. It will take time to find out where your tinnitus comes from, and it can be difficult to rid yourself of it. While this may be true, tinnitus is quite manageable. The video below discusses some ways to help you manage it. You may want to consider installing a sound generator close to the head portion of your bed. High-quality white noise is produced by these generators, that permits you to concentrate on white noise and forget the tinnitus. By forgetting about your tinnitus, you will be able to fall asleep. If you suffer from tinnitus, here is a tip that many swear by. Try drinking some apple cider vinegar mixed with a little honey and water. Do this twice a day for some relief of the irritating symptoms of tinnitus. Many naturopaths insist on apple cider vinegar as part of a healthy diet. Follow a different diet. A lot of people who have been afflicted with tinnitus claim that their symptoms disappeared when they started eating different foods. Some say that using vitamin B12 and other supplements works wonders, as does giving up drinking coffee. Only change one thing at a time, however, so if you notice differences, you will know what the reason was for this change. It is important to be as involved as possible with your own treatment when you have tinnitus. Nobody knows your body like you do, so you need to be an active part of your healthcare team. Communicate your feelings, symptoms and ideas openly and clearly to your doctor to give him all the information he needs to help you the best he can. Make sure you don't have any dental problems. See a dentist and make sure you don't have temporomandibular joint disease, or any kind of dental or jaw problem that could be causing your tinnitus. In some cases, taking care of dental issues could alleviate any tinnitus you might be experiencing. The intensity of tinnitus can be reduced by simply learning relaxation and concentration techniques. These techniques will help to control the groups of muscles and circulation throughout your body, which in turn will cause the relaxation of the things that may be behind your tinnitus. Simply relaxing may be the key to relieving your symptoms. To cope with tinnitus, you can see your doctor about getting hearing aids. They may reduce the head noises that you hear, or may even eliminate them altogether. Tinnitus affects many people and comes from a variety of sources. The one common thread is that every sufferer finds it extremely annoying. This condition is treatable in many instances. There are a lot of treatments that you can use towards alleviating tinnitus symptoms, and some of these treatments help more than others. Use this advice to help treat your tinnitus. Following it can help you start feeling better. Brain scan uncovers the real root cause of tinnitus and what you can do about it, starting today. Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Would you like to learn how to naturally ease tinnitus? Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Link in the description.